Good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine. And you?
Fine, thank you. Look at the picture. What is this?
Kite.
Yes, this is a kite. Children like it. Children like to fly kites. Kite flying is a great fun and pleasure for the children. Here is a very beautiful poem about kite. Let's read the poem. The name of the poem is Kite. Kite means what? Tell.
Goody.
Goody. Right? So kite means what? Goody. Have you observed means କେବେ ତମେ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ କରିଛ କି? Have you ever flown kites? Have you ever flown kites? Tell. ତୁମେ କେବେ ଗୁଡ଼ି ଉଡ଼ାଇଛ କି? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Have you ever observed kites when they fly? ଉଡ଼ିଲା ଆଡ଼ୁ ତମେ କେବେ observe ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ କରିଛ କି?
Yes.
Yes, you have observed, right? And they lie on the ground. You might have observed the kites when they fly in the air and lie on the ground. When the string is broken, string ଦଉଟା ଛିଡ଼ିଗଲେ, the kite comes down and lie on the ground. Do kites look different when in the air? Air ଥିଲା ଆଡ଼ୁ ଅଲଗା ଦେଖାଯାଏ? Yes, they look different. Do they also act differently? Yes, on the ground. So there are two pictures. How many pictures?
Two pictures.
Yes. See the two pictures of kite and guess. Guess means अनुमान करो. Is it possible to write a poem on these two stages? Kite on the ground and kite in the sky. Let's read this poem and see. Yes, the poem is like this. A kite on the ground. What did I say?
A kite on the ground.
Is just a paper and a string.
And just a paper and strings.
The poet says that if the kite is lying on the ground, it is just like a paper and a string. Without a paper, it is nothing else. Right? It is just like a paper. Kagaj tukda hodia. But up in the air, when it goes up in the air, when the kite goes up in the air, do you know what the kite does? It dances and sings. Where? In the air? In the air. ବାୟୁମଣ୍ଡଳ ଉପରୁ ଗଲେ it dances and sings. But when on the ground, it is just like a paper and a string. Right? ପିଲାମାନେ ଯେମିତିକା ବର୍ଷା ହେଇଗଲା କାନି ଡିଆଁକୁ ଯାବେ ବୋଲି ଡ୍ୟାନ୍ସ and sing and flood paper boats and make much fun and pleasure. Similar is the case with the kite. If it is lying on the ground, ଯଦି ଜମି ଉପରେ ପଡ଼ି ରହିଛି, what is lying? If the kite is lying on the ground, it is just a paper and a string. It is nothing else. It is valueless. But do you know what happens? When it fly in the sky or when it goes up in the sky, आकाश उपरू चली जाए, it becomes happy. It becomes so happy that it starts dancing and singing. Could you understand? A kite in the air will dance and caper. Caper means ଡେଇଁବା ଆନନ୍ଦରେ ବୁଲିବା. When it is in the air, it will dance and caper. But back on the ground, back when it comes back, फेरि आसे on the ground, भूमि उपरको, it is just string and paper. It is just string and paper. Only paper and string. So this is the poem. Could you understand? What did I say? Poem. Now let's have the question. What is the poem about?
The poem is about kite.
The poem is about the kite. The poet speaks about two situations of kite. What are they? Kite on the ground
Kite on the ground
and kite in the air.
kite in the
That
air.
these two situations are kite on the ground and kite in the air. In which situation is the kite more active? In the air or on the ground? In which situation? In the air. When the kite is in the air, it is very active. When it is on the ground, it is dead. Mrtatulya. Okay. What does it do when it is in the air? When it is in the air, it dances and sings. Or it is dances and sings when it is in the air. Okay. Next question. How is it when on the ground?
It is just a paper on the ground.
Right, it is just a paper on the ground. Where is the kite very happy? In the air or on the ground?
In the air.
Yes, the kite is
Very
happy in the air. Okay. How many stanzas are there in the poem?
There are two stanzas
In the poem, there are two stanzas in the poem. What does the first stanza talk about?
The first stanza
Talks about
how a kite
is
is the ground and in
the air. The first stanza talks about how a kite is on the ground and in the air. What do the first two lines of the first stanza talk about? Kite on the ground or kite in the air? It is about what kite does in the air and
talk
about it. And on the ground, right? What do the first two lines of the first stanza talk about kite on the ground or kite in the air? First two graph says it is about what kite about ground. What do the first two stanza on the second stanza? What do the first two lines on the second stanza talks about? Kite on the ground or kite in the air? Yes, tell. Here is the poem again. Wait just 1 minute. We will find out the answer. Okay. 1 minute. Yes, first two lines of the first stanza. A kite on the ground is just so the first two lines of the first stanza says about kite on the ground. and the first two lines of the second stanza say that say about the kite on the ground. Could understand? So these are the questions and answers. Let's know. Let's see any other questions or not. If yes, we shall do it. Yes. Answer the following questions. What is the poet about?
The poem is about the kite in the air
And on the ground. Double end is used, right? Okay, there are two ends by mistake. Okay, the poem is about the kite on the ground, in the air and on the ground, right? Next, the two states of a kite are kite on the ground and a kite in the air. What does a kite do when in the air?
When in the air, the kite dances
And sings. When in the air, the kite dances and sings. What do the first two lines of the first stanza talk about? The first two lines of the first stanza is about the
poem.
I'm sorry, wait 1 minute. The first two lines of the first stanza is stanza of the poem talks that
Talks that the kite is just a paper and a string on the ground.
yes, the first two lines of the first stanza of the poem talks that the kite is just a paper and string on the ground. What do the first two lines of the second stanza talk about?
The first two lines of the second stanza of the poem talks that in the air the kite sings and dances.
Yes, the first two lines of the second stanza of the poem talks that in the air the kite sings and dances.